Welcome back, all you Flux automators out there, and I'm bringing to you another Govee product. This is the first time finally that Govee have sent me something to review after the many products that I've reviewed already. They finally acknowledged and sent me the Curtain Lights 2. So without a doubt, let's get into the box. And before we do that, let's talk about what is this product. Now, the Govee Curtain Lights 2 is a curtain in a sense. So what it's going to allow you to do is create a wall of light, which enables you to create images and colors. You can have flat colors, you can have images, you can have GIFs. And what it enables you to do is actually incorporate this into your other Govee lights that you may have around the house, or if you don't have any, you can just start with these. Now, one of the greatest things about these are the 520 LEDs. So you got 520 LEDs that are going to enable you to create all kinds of backgrounds and spaces in your environment. But you can string 3 of these together. So you can buy this one and you can buy 2 others, or you can buy it all out and buy a 3-pack, which gives you a combination of 1,560 LEDs in total. Now, the size of the space that this is going to cover is 1.5 meters squared. So it's a square of 1.5. Now, the examples I'm going to show you in just a moment is just basically how to set them up and what they really look like in your environment. Now, you can go on the channel and check out the other reviews I've done on the Govee products, which will enable you to use the Dreamview app, which then you can go and configure all kinds of additional things with these lights, with other lights in your house, but also you can connect it to your Google smart home or your Alexa smart home, and even using Matter. But no Apple HomeKit here, so you're gonna have to figure a way around it. So up to this date, we've had 930,000 views on the channel, 51,000 hours of watch time. Can you believe that? And we don't even have 5,000 subscribers yet. So if you are getting any value from the channel and I'm helping you to make that right selection when it comes to buying that tech, please subscribe. Go on, just hit the button. So these lights are for anybody who wants to incorporate lots of colors and brightness. As you can see, my background, I have this going on already, but this is going to enable you to add additional, or if it's your first time, just set it up. So let's get into the box and see what Govee provide for you. Oh, and me. So here we got the simple box, lovely Govee stuff, and then on one side we've got an example and another example on the other side. And as usual, the Govee make life smarter. So moving to the back, it's just some basic information about what is in the box and all the standards and voltage. Open up the box. First we get Govee Curtain Lights card, I guess if you send that to somebody, and then you've got your pamphlets, leaflets inside, or your starter kit. And then moving out, taking out the first box and second box, 2 boxes together. And then in a smaller box, you've got all the power. You have the power supply with the watertight seal. Then we've got the controller with the extension lead, also with that water seal. Then we have a packet which have some spaces in it and the hanging clips for the actual curtain lights themselves. Opening up the second bigger box, and this is where all the curtain lights sit. Okay, so it's a large big bunch of cables right now. And we've got that power unit and the connection points, having that water IP65 protection on it. So now we've got the unboxing out of the way, I just want to highlight a few things that I found about when you're using these particular Govee lights. When we're using this power brick, which is the control unit in a sense, it actually runs really close to where your first strip of lights come in. So if you're putting this up on the wall, this is going to have to sit up there on the wall as well, which is a little bit of an eyesore. Now, I wish Govee had set this so it doesn't sit so close to the rest of the LED strips that are hanging down. So as you can see in this image right now, this control unit is running really close, and you really can't hide it at all. Now these curtain lights are IP65 waterproof, and they've done that by sealing up this unit, and also the LEDs are really covered up, so you're not going to have any water getting into your unit. And with all the attachments that come along, so in this example here, this first plug has a plug like this. It has rubber washers inside here, so when you use this and you seal it up, you're getting a tight fit, which isn't going to move and it isn't going to let any water in. Now this runs all the way to the control unit down here, which doesn't seem to be waterproof. We'd have to double check that with Govee directly. It does have rubber seals, so I'm not sure about this power button right here though. And then when you attach it to the power brick, you then have another plug, which also enables you to water seal it. And just one more point before we move on to testing this and see how good it looks, is that we have the power going in here. And if you want to extend, you have the extension here, so you can plug this into another curtain light unit. But the way I see is this is so close to these, which you connect. And then you have a really long extension, which will connect to the second or third Govee curtain lights. You're not going to really need all of this, because the whole purpose of connecting three of them together is for them to work in unity, and it has to be quite close to it anyway. So I'm not sure why we get all of this, but then this control box is fitting so close to the first string of lights. Now, one last thing, I don't think this power unit is water sealed. So you're gonna have to be careful in that and just making sure you're following the restrictions that you have with any electricals outside. It is just only the part that comes from this point, which is the connection from the control box itself to the power supply right here. And you have that extra seal on here. You can just seal it like that. Okay, so it's water sealed from this point onwards. Okay. The power supply itself, I'm sure this isn't waterproof at all, so make sure if you're using this part of it outside that you are not getting it wet. So now we've done the unboxing and we checked out everything that Govee has to offer in terms of the product and its physical format. Let's get to the point that you've all been waiting for, as to see it in action and see what you can actually do with these lights and the impact that it can make on your environment. So let's go. So one of the great things about using any type of lights from Govee is that you can connect them to your other smart home devices. So for an example right now, turn on curtain lights. And as you can see, by voice command, I've been able to turn on the curtain lights. Turn curtain lights white. And there we go again. I've been able to turn them from a warm white to a cool white, just with the voice. So as you can see right now, I've got a majority of purple on, so turn curtain lights purple. And here we go, some purple lights to match the purple outfit. So in addition to use my voice to activate the curtain lights right here, I have controls in my hand with the app, so I can choose a whole range of colors, just like that. Nice. So the white color is really nice for if you want to be focused and you're doing some work, maybe have your laptop, or you could be reading a book, just like this one. I wonder what I'm going to buy next. In addition to this, if you want to set a scene for you and your other half, you can easily just go in, select the scenes, and now you can select, hey, in time for Valentine's Day when it comes. And if it's not Valentine's Day yet, because we're approaching Christmas, hey, let's get those Christmas tree lights up. So within the app, you have a variety of different things that you can choose, and Govee lights have always provided so much versatility, so much selection. So you can just go in here, you can choose, as I've been showing you earlier on, the different colors that you can choose from here. You've got scenes, as you've seen a few right here. So we got a stocking in the background, which unveils a Christmas tree, which is kind of cool. If it's Halloween, you've got like these ghost type of figures, a pumpkin, Halloween as well. And if it's a birthday, you got a birthday cake. Some night scenes are really cool as well. So you got things like planets. This is supposed to be the Big Ben. If we moved into music, okay, so you have the ability to impact the background. So for my voice, you can see it's moving up and down. You got float, which is kind of cool. So it's coming in from different angles. So you got a variety of different selections that you can have on there. So when you want to get more in depth, there is a gallery in here which has lots of still images. Okay, so we've got games controllers, we have Snake, and you can just go through the gallery and select so many of these different choices. And one of the nicest things is you have GIFs as well. And then when it's time for some action, or when you're ready to get down to some serious gaming, let's go. Hey, let's take a break for a moment, and I just want to tell you about these glasses that I'm wearing. And you may have seen them in my other videos before, where I've been wearing green ones and multicolored ones. And today I've got the purple ones, and these are blue light protection glasses. So this will reduce your eye strain when you're looking at the screen. And if you are a gamer, like we are right now, why not? Check out their gaming glasses range. Now these are more directed at gamers that spend a whole load of time and need full concentration when they're going in for that KILL. So if you're ever feeling like that and you want to go for those extra hours, but your eyes feel like they're straining, now Visoone One have a range of different colors, different shapes, different sizes. So you can go through there and select exactly what fits for you in your outfit or your attire. If you like small glasses, if you like big glasses, there's a whole array and different color lenses as well. So these are slightly tinted, which gives me more protection when I'm gaming. And then you also have the blue light protection lens for when you're working those long hours and you don't want your eyes to get fatigued. Make sure you're wearing a pair of these. Check them out. Amazon link is in the description, so check it out and help support the channel. I think these look kind of nice. What do you think? So now we're back after doing that testing and seeing them in action. There are a few things I want to cover before I give you my pros and cons on the device. So first things first, we have these brackets right here. So these are going to enable you to fix the curtain lights, and you can hang them from the bottom, and you could hang them, I guess, or you slot them inside of here and then you can hang it from a wire, for example. What I've found is with a lot of the Govee products, you get this 3M on the back. Now what you can see here right now, I've stuck something on top of the 3M, and that is these Command damage-free hanging strips. They come like this, and what they do is you could attach these to your wall, and as you can see here, I've attached it to one of the clips. And with this, instead of me peeling the 3M off like this and sticking it to my bare wall, what I've done in the video, as you can see, I have attached part of this to the wall, okay, and then the other side to here, and just like that, you can stick them on. Okay, so then this is the wall side, and then this is the hanging piece. So when you're finished and you want to remove them, you can just take them off, and then you can put them back on. when you're ready. Obviously these strips, you know, you cut them to size and they are secure enough to make sure it stays on your wall. And the benefits of doing that is that when you no longer want these strips on your wall, you can use this to peel it off of your wallpaper or your paint. And when you want to move something around, it makes it very hard to do so without having to then go back and paint things. So my suggestion to you guys is to get some of these and save your wall. In addition to that, you have these right here. Now I didn't use any of these. As you can see in this, I had these outside, and if I had used these, it would have made sure that everything stayed in line. So if it's windy outside, you might want to put these together so it keeps them firm and in place. Or if you are structuring them in one place and you're not going to move them at all, start using these and then you can fasten them to the wall, which will stop them from moving around, and it will enable you to keep each strip of the curtain light straight and take out any kinks that you might have, and you know, just keeps them in place so you don't have to go around and keep moving them. But just be aware that you're gonna have to attach these with some type of screws, or you could just use them as spacers and just let them hang. So when it comes down to it, at the end of the day, would I advise you guys to check out this product and put it up? And I can say, yeah, all depends on the environment that you have. If you're just trying to brighten up a dull corner, these work really well. And if you want to create something even larger with the 3-pack, you can do so too. The fact that if you have any Govee products in your environment, you can tune all these together and get them to work in synchronization. So you can't lose. And at the price that these are going out at right now, you know, you can get these at the same price as the first version. So you might as well go get the curtain lights too. So I would say there's not many downsides to this. It does what it's supposed to do, and probably does a lot of things that you didn't think it would do. So would I advise you guys to check them out? Yeah, I give this a solid 8.5. Well, let's give it a 9 because it does exactly what it needs to do. There could be a few things, as I've mentioned already, in terms of when you're placing it and sticking them up, that, you know, Govee could be adding some additional types of ways of mounting these. For the main part of it, it's a good product. You can't lose. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the description where I have a link to this product, which you should use, which supports the channel. And in the meantime, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.